bought this Matco light months ago, and almost a year now, if it's not a year yet, and you can see it didn't age that bad. I mean, physically, I use this thing every day. Every day, I work 6-7 days a week, and I use it a lot because I do electrical repair, and sometimes I'm in areas that I can't really see well. Then I really need that light. Then, as you can see, this thing is really bright. This is a very bright light, and can be a flashlight here. Turn it like that, and then you got this indicator here that tells you the battery level. In fact, I didn't only buy just one of these, I bought 2 of these. Oh no, 4 total. I just like them. The color is better, I think, in green and purple, but here, the only problem that I have with this, they age really well, but the only problem that I have is this swivel. It's like it doesn't have any resistance anymore, and you can, go ahead and tighten these on the side, but it's still gonna be bad. It's still a bad thing because these they kind of lost their thread. The threads that's inside the plastic here, it just lost that. And I have another light here that I just bought. In fact, I bought 2. This color, I guess it's all right. Look at the resistance. See, you can see it, and you can also hear it. This is brand new, of course. Got really sturdy resistance, and like when it's at rest. Now you see, this has resistance here. You can really lift it as you wish, but this right here, look, it's already going down. Really good light though, really good light. Not much resistance there. You can change the intensity of the light. Now I have it at maximum brightness. If you press and hold, it's going to change the intensity of it. See? Now it got dimmer and dimmer and dimmer. And I think that's full intensity right there. And of course, right here is the battery indicator and then power button. Now over here, you got that USB Type-C charger port right there. Is this a good light? Really good light. I think it's one of the best lights in the business. Magnetic base. I think it's one of the best in the business. But my only problem with this is this swivel. This is gone. Sometimes I set it, it goes down by itself. If you set it right here, upright, this, when you bump into the light, kind of go down by itself, which doesn't help. I think that's one design aspect that Matco needs to change. As far as the design, everybody, my co-workers, they really like this light. I think it's one of the best in the business. But of course, this right here, no good. You can drop this light, no problem. Drop it like it's hot. It's not gonna get damaged. I drop this thing a lot. Nothing. But if you're gonna buy this light, this color here I don't like that much, and there's a blue. The blue is not that great. This orange color here is not really that great. I mean, in my opinion, I think they did a better job with the green and the purple. I hope this helps out. If you're interested in buying one of these lights, you can go to matco.com. That's where I bought them. Matco.com. They went up. I was gonna buy another set, but they went up. I think they're like $93. I hope this video helped you out, guys. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.